I don't think people understand how easy it is to start your birding adventure with a DIY bird feeder. Watching birds is a wonderful hobby that brings joy and tranquility to your life. It's relaxing and fun for all ages, making it a perfect activity for families and individuals alike. You can attract more birds to your backyard with a bird feeder, which is a simple yet effective way to invite nature into your space. A bird feeder provides food for birds, ensuring they have a reliable source of nourishment. It invites them to visit your yard regularly, creating a lively and dynamic environment. Imagine enjoying your morning coffee while watching colorful birds flit around your feeder, adding a touch of nature to your daily routine. Building your own bird feeder is a rewarding project that can be done with simple materials. It is simple and inexpensive to do, making it accessible for everyone. You can create a welcoming space for your feathered friends by adding bird-friendly elements to your garden. This guide will show you how to build a bird feeder step by step, ensuring you have all the information you need. Let's get started on creating a bird-friendly backyard that will bring joy and beauty to your home. Are you excited to create a perfect bird feeder? Let's gather all the supplies you'll need. You will need a few basic items. These items are easy to find and inexpensive. Most of these can be found around your house or at a local store. Look in your kitchen, garage, or even your recycling bin. An empty plastic bottle. A milk jug or juice container works well. Make sure it's clean and dry before you start. Bird seed. Choose a seed mix that attracts a variety of birds. This will ensure you get a diverse range of feathered visitors. Scissors. These will be used to cut the plastic bottle. Make sure they are sharp enough to cut through plastic easily. A pencil. Use this to mark where you will cut and make holes. Precision is key to ensure your feeder works properly. String or twine. This will be used to hang your feeder. Choose a sturdy material that can withstand outdoor conditions. A wooden spoon. This will help guide the birdseed out of the bottle. It makes filling the feeder much easier and less messy. Once you have everything, you're ready to start building your bird feeder. Having all your supplies ready will make the process smooth and enjoyable. If you don't like spending a fortune on bird feeders, but still want to attract a variety of birds, then build your own. Follow these easy steps, and soon you'll have a beautiful addition to your garden. First, gather your materials. You'll need a clean plastic bottle, a wooden spoon, some string, birdseed, a pencil, and a pair of scissors. Start by washing and drying the plastic bottle. Make sure it's clean and free of any labels or residue. This ensures that the birds have a safe and hygienic place to feed. Next, use the pencil to mark 2 holes near the bottom of the bottle. These holes will serve as the feeding ports, allowing the birds to access the seed inside. Carefully cut out the holes using your scissors. Make them large enough for birds to reach the seeds, but not so large that the seeds spill out easily. Above each feeding hole, poke a small hole with the pencil. This is where you'll thread the string later, which will be used to hang the feeder. Slide the handle of the wooden spoon into one of the larger holes. The spoon should reach the bottom of the bottle. This creates a perch for the birds to stand on while they eat. Thread the string through the small holes you made above the feeding holes. Tie the ends together to create a loop for hanging. Make sure the knot is secure so the feeder doesn't fall. Finally, fill the bottle with bird seed. Make sure the seed reaches the feeding holes. You can use a funnel to make this step easier and less messy. Your bird feeder is ready to hang. Find a suitable spot in your garden, preferably somewhere visible from your window, so you can enjoy watching the birds as they come to feed. Find the perfect spot to place your bird feeder. Choosing the right spot for your feeder is important. This will help attract birds and keep them safe. Look for a spot that is high enough to be out of reach of predators like cats, near trees or shrubs where birds can perch and feel safe, and visible from a window so you can enjoy watching the birds. Avoid placing your feeder too close to windows, as birds can accidentally fly into them. You need to hear this if you're a bird lover. Section 5. Help our feathered friends. Bird feeders are beneficial in many ways. They provide a reliable source of food for birds. This is especially important during the winter months, when natural food sources are scarce. Your feeder can be a lifeline for birds. By providing food, water, and shelter, you can help support your local bird population. You'll also create a beautiful and lively atmosphere in your backyard. You need to watch this if you struggle with keeping your bird feeder clean and safe. To keep the birds healthy, it's important to clean your feeder regularly. Once a week, empty any remaining seed and wash the feeder with soapy water. Rinse well and let it dry completely before refilling it with fresh seed. Check your feeder regularly for any signs of wear and tear. Replace it if it becomes damaged to keep the birds safe. I bet you didn't know how easy it is to enjoy bird watching with your new bird feeder. Congratulations on building your very own bird feeder. By following these simple steps, you have created a welcoming space for birds to visit and dine. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy the beauty of nature right in your backyard. You'll be amazed by the variety of birds that will visit your feeder. Happy bird watching! Share your bird feeder creations with us using #DIYBirdFeeder.